Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Do you know about shakkuri? Shakkuri means hiccups. In Japan, it's believed that you will die when you hiccup 100 times in a row. It's believed that if you have the hiccups many times, it's a sign of possible illness. 日本ではしゃっくりを止める一般的な方法はびっくりさせる、水を飲む、息を止めるなどがある。In Japan, common ways to stop the hiccups are to be surprised, to drink water, to hold your breath, and so on. Do you know about ツバメの巣? ツバメの巣 means swallow's nest.In Japan, it's believed that houses where swallows come to build their nests will have good luck. It's because swallows were considered very important to Japanese people. This is because swallows eat insects that are harmful to rice fields, and people thought that they would bring a good harvest. 日本に飛んでくる種類のツバメは、家や店の軒先に巣を作ることが多い。天敵のカラスから身を守るためだと言われている。The type of swallow that migrates to Japan usually makes its nest under the roofs of houses or stores. It's said that it's to protect themselves from crows, which are their natural predators. Click here to go to JapanesePod101.com to learn more!